Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how I prepare this courgette and cream cheese soup. See, from the look, it's really a very good and comforting soup, and it's very easy to make, especially if you have a soup maker. I'm going to be using my soup maker here, so it's a one-pot soup. Let's start. To prepare this soup, we need just few ingredients. First, we need fresh parsley leaves. We'll be using courgette. These two courgettes together is about 400 grams. We need half sliced onion. That's because I have a medium sized. And we'll be bringing out about 4 pieces of this fresh parsley leaves. We'll be using the leaves, not the stems. And we use Philadelphia cream cheese. You can use any soft cheese that you have. It doesn't have to be Philadelphia. I just like the smoothness and the creaminess of this cream cheese. So we're going to dice up the courgette, and for me, I'll be using the soup maker today. If you do not have a soup maker, you can cut this courgette and boil in the pot and then blend later. So we'll also dice the second courgette. Although I could have cut this bigger, it's just that I prefer to cut it into smaller chunks. It cooks faster. And please remember to like this video and subscribe for more updates. Next, we're going to slice the onion, add it to the soup maker. We'll do the same with the parsley. Remove them from the sticks and put the fresh leaves, add them to the combo that is already in the soup maker. I love to add chili, you know my love for chili. So I'm going to be using green scotch bonnets, just a half slice. And here we'll be using around 200 milliliter of water. If you do want a very thick soup, you do not have to add that much water. You can just add like 50 ml. I'm going to be using half of this Philadelphia cream cheese. If you want your soup to be more creamy, you can decide to use the whole. But for this purpose, we'll be using just half with 400 gram courgette. So now we'll cover the soup maker and we're going to be selecting the creamed soup. The difference is that with the creamed soup setting, it will puree the soup into a very smooth texture. After selecting, we then click the start button so that the cooking process can start. The cooking with the soup maker takes roughly around 10 to 15 minutes, but mostly 10 minutes. So here the soup is cooking, and after it has finished cooking, it blends by itself, and then you get this comforting soup. I was always reluctant to prepare green soup, but after I prepared this particular one, I told myself I need to share this recipe with you guys because I really love it. And just look at that, very creamy and smooth, and it hot. Oh my dear, I think I'm going to be finishing this soup earlier than I have anticipated. Thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. Until next time, bye.